What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as the default browser on your Windows computer. So let's get started. First I'll have to go to settings. I'll click on the start menu here and then go to settings. I'm on Windows 11 here, but the same method should work on Windows 10 as well. Click on settings. Then from the left tab click on apps. Then go to default apps. Then wait for the list of apps to load, and once it's loaded I'll go ahead and choose Google Chrome. Here, click on it. Then I'll go ahead and set it as the default app for each type here. So let's say .htm. Microsoft Edge is my default browser for HTML pages, so I'll click on it and then click on switch anyway. Okay, and then choose Google Chrome and then click on set as default, and do the same for .html pages and even SVG files and even PDF if you want to.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.